Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the MS PowerPoint video series. So in the last class, we have discussed about these all options. So now we are going to move some important options like the video. Here's the video option. If you want to insert a video, you have to click on this video, this device, and you have to select the video. And now I'm going to choose this video and I'm going to click on the insert. So as you can see, the video is here. Now we can play the video as well, and if you want to increase, if you want to decrease the size of the video or increase the size of the video, you can also get. So after inserting a video, you will get a video format tab. If you want to make changes in the video, you can also do that from this tab. So in this way, you can insert a video. Now I'm going to delete this one, and now we are going to move to the insert tab. And second option, we have the audio. If you want to insert audio, you have to click on this. You have two options. If you want to record audio, or if you have audio file in your PC, you can also insert that. So I'm going to click on this option. So let's go to the download. As you can see, we have some different audios. So I'm going to choose this one and click on the insert. So here's the audio. If you want to play the audio, you can also play it.
Flexible and independent way of working where
So in this way, you can play audio. You will see some options related to audio editing as well, like trim the audio, add bookmark, fade in, fade out, and some other options related to audio as well. If you want to make changes in the audio, you can also do that from this tab. So I'm going to delete this one and delete this. And now we are going to back to the insert tab. And here's the other option we have, screen recording. If you want to record your screen, you can also record the screen with the help of this option. So now we have completed this insert tab. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.